Hello and welcome here. I am Hamza Al Khatib, and in today's video I'll show you what you would expect in unboxing the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. The iPad I have right here for today is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch version, and so is the Magic Keyboard. It is for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Don't get it wrong, it also works with the non-iPad Pro version like the new iPad Airs and such. And not only that, it also works with the iPad Pros up to the 2018 iPad Pro version. So let's get started. Here is what the box looks like. It comes here with the iPad Magic Keyboard and the same color as the one you have chosen. There's also a white case, but I prefer this one. And here is the back of it. It shows you the different positions you can have your iPad in. There isn't really much to it, so let's get right started. Of course, as with most of the iPad or the Apple products, you have the suction to the case itself. So you get also here the recycled logo. Now here you have the case itself. It comes in a wrapping and in a styrofoam in between, but I've lost these, so let's get right into it. Here is how the case looks like. This case isn't really much heavy. It does have some weight to it, but it adds to your experience and it makes working with it, I think, better. It is more stable on the desk and feels good overall. So first you would need to open it, just like that. Let me show you with the wide camera angle. And here I have my iPad. It is a gray one. It doesn't really matter much. You have here the connector and the same connectors that are present on the Magic Keyboard. And it connects magnetically to the case. You just put it right in here and it will connect itself. To make sure, I can just tap the space button, and as you can see, it is connected just as easily. I can also have my Apple Pencil connected to the iPad as well. And also you can have multiple of different position angles to the iPad. As you can see, up from a 90-degree angle to a very nice angles that you can work with. There is a little space between the iPad and the keyboard, which is very nice, and it gives it this floating feel, which is very nice and very luxurious, I can see. It feels very nice. It feels like it's good quality made. The leather itself also is very nice from the outside and from the inside where you put your palms at most of the time. Rest. You have here the trackpad. It's also very nicely made and I do like it. We also have here the lighting for the keyboard, which is also very nice. It is backlit. So this was the unboxing for the iPad, and there's also a charging here port for the case and the iPad both in one. So that was the unboxing video. So make sure to subscribe to see the rest of the videos I will make on the Magic Keyboard, including the review and much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.